Hey kittens, welcome or welcome back. So today I wanted to share these Pilot G2 pastel pens. So here's an overview of the pens and their packaging, and we'll look at the purple one really soon. So as you guys can see, these pens are 0.7 millimeters, and here's a look at some of the swatches, and then there's some info about the pens as well. And here's a quick peek at how the back looks. So here's a close-up of the purple pastel pen, and I love this shade of purple so much. It's such a soft and light color. So now we're going to start unboxing these to look at the colors more closely, and I hope you guys enjoy. By the way, I got these from JetPens and they cost me about $12, so I'll be sure to add the link down below in the description as well as my Amazon link for these pens. And I also wanted to mention how all the pens have a rubber grip on them for comfort. So now let's take a look at these Pilot G2 pens one by one. So if you guys couldn't tell, we're about to start swatching these, and I hope you guys continue to enjoy. So kittens, I think these colors are so cute, though I do think some are more neon than pastel shades. So comment below your thoughts on these Pilot pens or which color you like the best from this swatch, and be sure to check out my description box below for links to these pens, and I'll see you guys in my next video.